Come do a weld test with me. For FluxCore and OpenRoot. Plates clean and ready. Setting up the first machine for self-shield FluxCore. I am doing a total of 3 different kinds of welding today. Dual shield, self-shield and 6010 rod. Vertical groove is ready. Let's do this. First pass. Second pass. Finished. Now to clean up and go to the next machine. Setting up for overhead OpenRoot with 6010. Weld, weld, weld. Final results. I passed with a 38/40 and 37/40.